Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
But today, our leader has once again showed the zoo government that he is not scared of them today in their zoo. They were panicking. And he lectured them today as well. So they were shocked how Nnamdi Kanu stood in their court to call them terrorists in their face. And they lectured them today. Though they deny him there. I would like you to listen to this. I know some of you have seen it.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I said earlier, bail is an indication of the court taking into consideration all the conclusions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determine the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until it was produced on the 29th of June. Which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump there. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why have to be conducted contrary to the position of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. It's here. This is the law of Nigeria.
You're welcome back. Like I said before, he lectured them today. This is the law of Nigeria. He lectured them inside their own court today. And also referring them as terrorists in their own court as well. Fearless Nnamdi Kanu has proven once again that he's not scared of this zoo government, no matter the intimidation they are coming up with. Even today, the news, Gotham Media, Zoo newspaper, has been carrying it all along. The government, they reacted today as hearing that from Nnamdi Kanu in their court. They were like, hey, this guy, Ola Tojo. This is how the Vanguard newspaper Nigeria carried it today. They said the detailed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, caused a stir at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday today after his fresh request to be released on bail was refused. Kanu, who was visibly inked by the decision of the court to allow him to attend his trial from the detention facilities of Department of State Service DSS, vented his anger on the lead counsel that appeared for the Federal High Court, Chief Awomolo San, labeling him a terrorist. Addressing the court from the dock, Kanu, who is answering to a 7-count treasonable felony charge, said he was surprised that the senior lawyer, who is currently the chairman of the Nigerian Board of Benchers, could not advise the government properly. Kanu insisted that going by the provision of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022, Nigeria have violated international treaty it entered into owing to the manner he was arrested and forcibly rendered back to the country. He ought not to be subjected to the ongoing trial. He stressed that both the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court in their various decisions declared his forceful rendition from Kenya as an act of illegality. Kanu, who kept waving a bunch of law books he entered the dock with, said, "My lord, you said in your early ruling that you will not grant me bail until you make a determination about the reason for my disappearance. But you have not done so. At this stage, I am of the opinion that you can't try me without first looking into that. The criminals came to my house to kill me. I don't understand why my trial must be conducted contrary to the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the laws of Nigeria as today. This court is in violation of laws of Nigeria, Section 2(3)(f) of the Treasonable Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022 is very clear. At this juncture, the prosecution, Awomolo San, tried to interject by asking Kanu's legal team to call him to order. Today, Kanu, our leader today, showed his anger raw in the court today, and showing that he is not scared of them. This is what really I don't really understand. Why they are still holding Nnamdi Kanu in their court. This is not fair. It's unacceptable. This man has done nothing wrong, and up to today they are still holding him for no reason. And he has proven it today. He lectured them, like I said, today. To the extent the judge has to call his lawyers to call him to order because they were scared of him. And they don't know what they are doing. He's there telling them, lecturing them how it's being done. That's to show you Nigeria justice system is quack. People that are handling this case, they are all, those judges and all, they are corrupt. They have been compromised. Not only that, they don't know what they are doing. They are just there. And the direction is, the orders are coming from the Federal High Court. Federal government. Yeah, Asurok. But all these things they are doing to this man, it's not good. This is not good. But Ohamadike still shows why he is Ohamadike one of Biafra land. He has made it clear that he is not scared of anybody. He's not scared of the zoo government. He's not scared of the judge. He's not scared of anybody because he knows that he's right. He knows he's right, and that's why he's defending himself today. He stood to defend himself today, to lecture them about justice, how it was. So, but today, like I said, they deny him bail once again, and this is all what they will be doing. And we said it. This is their plan to keep Nnamdi Kanu in that DSS. This is their plan, nothing else. They want to be keeping Nnamdi Kanu in DSS until God knows when. And this thing has been going on since he was kidnapped last 2 years ago. And they keep on, they are not trying him. Okay, they say they want to try him. Why can't they straight take him to trial? But they bring him to court, and they will find another excuse, and they will take him back. All these things, delay tactics until they finish what they are planning to do. And all this thing is to weigh him down, is to, weaken him. But you can see, Nnamdi Kanu's spirit is high. He's high. He's not scared of them.